Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an email address to your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. Note that WhatsApp does not use email for daily messaging. The email is mainly for two-step verification recovery in case you forget your PIN. So you're going to open WhatsApp, click on profile at the bottom right, and after that you're going to click on account from the settings options. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an option of email address. Click on that and email will help WhatsApp verify your account or reach you in case of security or support issues. Your email address won't be visible to others. Simply type down your email over here and click on next. Confirm by entering your email again and your email will be linked for PIN recovery. WhatsApp may send a verification link to your email, so you're going to open your email and click verify. And as easy as that, that was how you can add an email address to your WhatsApp account. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.